What is good, YouTube? It's another beautiful Monday. Um, Today I'm not gonna be trading by myself. I kind of don't want to let go of those ropes yet. I just want to find consistency before I try to do stuff myself. Um, so we're still gonna trade with Mamba and do everything. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing what we normally do. What I will say is before I go put this on the other screen, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do first. He doesn't really do this, but I'm gonna do it regardless. Just so we could, just in case we find a bigger move. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna mark out the previous day high and low. I was doing this with my old mentor, but I'm gonna do it right now. So here's the thing. I do think we want to push higher. But if we do, I'm expecting us to at least push down to around right there. So here's our three main key levels that I'm watching for today. Even though we don't really trade levels and we trade breakouts, it's still nice to know. Yeah. Now on what's it called? We've reached all-time highs. So the previous day high and low. We didn't try on the first night, but you're so enticing. And then the same thing. And the reason I'm doing 50% is when you do the 50% retracement, a lot of the times, if it wants to continue higher, it'll hold this level and continue to go. If it doesn't, it'll do this. So my bad. It'll either hold this level, continue higher, or drop, retest, and keep going. Hey, no ma'am, no ham, no turkey. I love you, but we cannot do this right now. She gonna mess it up. All right. So there we go. I'm putting it over here. We're gonna go. I'll put top step and stuff just up. I hate looking at this. Like, it just looks so stupid. So on NASDAQ, 5 micros. On YM, I think it's like 2 minis. Let's go look at the news. Monday. It's a bank holiday? Alexa, what holiday is today?
There are no national holidays in the United States on August 25th. However, on this date, Christmas in August, Hairdresser's Day, and Be Kind to Humankind Week are celebrated in the United States.
All right. So all I'm seeing is, bro, I know you're like, what the heck? What are you doing? Bro, I got stuff on my computer. All right, besides the point. Well, now I gotta go. Oh, that's what I forgot to show y'all. All right. I'm just gonna mark out my levels. All right, you see it on here. I'm just gonna do it on here. We didn't vibe on the first night, but you're so enticing. All right, so here's the thing. We're already breaking out on YM, aka what is this called? Dow Jones, US 30. We have another level, another zone that we could react to right here. And then I'll put one more. Right up here, this is for US 30. Mind you, US 30 is kind of already pushing. And then for NAS, put this all the way up here. And we got a little trend line going on. So I'd like to see us all right, I'm just gonna put this over here just so y'all can see it one time. This is what I have. And then, you know, Mama's gonna have something different probably. But I have boom, and then boom. So we're gonna put this back over here. He's probably already on, to be honest. Well, guess not. So now we just wait. Micros. Alright. Bro, he's gonna join right when market hit. I just know it. I'd like to see a sell-off on NAS, or it can do what it's doing and continue higher. So what I'm gonna do is, just in case, US 30 is already breaking, and I can see a lot of upside potential. This guy.
What is good, everybody? What's going on? Welcome back, man. Hope you guys all had a good, matter of fact, not good, but great weekend. You feel what I'm saying? Bunch of windows open here. So, looking at US 30, Hold on, let me go to the record on this real quick. But looking at US 30, man, we got interesting things happening. So very oversold, but at the same time, overbought because prices shot up. And I mean absolutely shot up. Insanely high. And now it's fading back down. If we look at this overall from a standpoint of, hey, you know, the last few hours, a little oversold, but the last few days, overbought as hell. So, like I said, there's two different ways to look at it. And, you know, price is going to react how it's going to react regardless. Doesn't really matter what I think. But we will do our best by marking up market structure and waiting for a setup. NASDAQ is doing the exact same thing today. It's US 30, so nothing really different here. But yeah, let's see what happens, man. The markets are officially here, and it's time to see what's going to happen. Decent little bit of volume. It's just its price want to correct itself to the downside from the way it pushed up Friday, or does price want to correct itself to the upside from the way it's been pushing this morning? And are we going to continue the upside, showing continuation from Friday? That's the question. That is the question. NASDAQ is pushing a bit. It's a little premature.
Yeah. So I will take this position if we get back up here. And then, are we for real?
Maybe something like that if we can push. Stop though. Man, like these last few candles on Friday were insane. Jeez. Look at this. This buildup has been nasty. Jeez.
Okay, we're gonna get rid of that. Holy smoke. So it's a lot of volatility.
Now NASDAQ's pushing down a little bit as well. And US 30 is pushing up. Nice, they're doing the literal opposites. Okay, I'm looking at US 30 starting to push out though. Huh.
NASDAQ, I'm not gonna lie, is just a little bit too.
Taking this buy on US 30.
Order filled.
Taking a buy
frick.
on US 30.
Order filled.
Entries about here. Little premature. I don't want to risk a lot. I know a lot of you guys are going to go in here and risk your entire account. Please don't. Very premature. Plus our stops are a little large today. They have to be a little large.
So I did the dumb stuff on accident.
Waiting on NASDAQ.
So in order for me to take this, we need to come fill back up there. And NAS looks a little bit
See if we
better.
get some volume. Help us out here. Help out our situation. We'll see. First trade of the day. NASDAQ sells look pretty juicy too. Jeez.
Order filled.
Oh my, bro.
I would be selling NASDAQ
Order
as
filled.
well.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm going sales on NASDAQ.
Loaded. Loaded.
As you see, there was a lot of dumb stuff I just did.
Don't get all frozen now, though. Just going light, going super late right now. Just trying to get a feel for the markets, really. It's really what we're trying to do. Just get a feel for the markets, see what they want to do, see if they really want to make a move. And once they want to make a move and we feel confident about that, we add on positions and we go in hard. As simple as that. For now, we just relax, see what's going on.
Resistance.
Order filled.
Okay. Moving down.
Well, it looks like they don't want to make a move.
What is this? I'm not opposed to taking another one, but I need to see clear direction. Dow Jones, if we could come see, NASDAQ just looks a little bit better, and I'm gonna stick with NASDAQ. Because I don't want to get stuck in no chop. So we're going to do this.
Just sitting on these right now.
So I can't see the... whatever. Whatever. It's whatever. I don't care.
Nah. Taking my loss on NASDAQ for sure.
But NAS don't even look bad.
Yeah, literally both faked out.
We'll put this on here just so I could see
just
it.
Unfortunate.
I'm only going to focus on...
Hey, maybe it's just time to quit for you. Maybe it's time to quit. I would just quit personally. Not everybody can handle it. It's okay. It happens. Find something else. Go for it.
Okay. Volume's picking back up on NAS. US
Shit.
30. Same kind of deal.
If you're losing daily and your account's just dropping, just take a break. Go demo trade.
I'm going to take these glasses off.
Shit, because last week was actually a solid week. Last week was a very solid week.
If we can close above this resistance, I'll take another buy.
This is just, yeah, it's unfortunate. I don't know.
Nigga.
Go to the 5.
He needs to just chill. He needs to relax.
Markets haven't been the greatest, that's for sure, but we just gotta manage your risk a little better. That's literally the bottom line. I'll show you last week if you guys want to see last week. First trade, 1 to 4, bam. Before that, 1 to 4, bam. Today, I'm still in US 30, but today, if this loses, okay, it loses, but a 1 to 4 and a 1 to 4, what does that mean? Do you guys understand what a 1 to 4 and 1 to 4 means? That means 8 times your loss. So if this is 8 times your loss and this is 1 loss, that's 1 to 8. You have to understand how important it is to manage your risk. It's actually ridiculously important. And this is why, because your wins are much larger than your losses. But for the most part, with you guys, I would be very surprised to say or to see. I'd be surprised if your guys' wins were bigger than your losses. Well, Miguel, if you have the power to type out what the problem is, then stop fucking doing it. You just spoke into existence what your issue's been, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, you're talking about it. You're saying what the issue or most people is, and stop doing it.
My stop when we get up there. Hopefully we don't fake out again.
Let's hold at least a 1 to 3 at worst. At worst, a 1 to 3.
Yeah. Because there's so much upside potential.
You can also tell that last week, if we just hit 2 1 to 4s, it don't matter what you do. One loss. Oh, we can go back further. 1 to 5, a loss. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 to 5,
all
1 to 5, a loss. 1 to 4, 1 to 4, a loss. Do the fucking math, bro. Even if you were to go out 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, you're still up. You're still winning. So it's about taking too many trades.
All right.
Still in US 30. Nasdaq can literally suck it. Look at Nasdaq still in the same exact spot, bro. I'm literally so tired of it. I'm about to start trading London session in a minute. And it's gonna come right. Look at that, coming right back down too. So gay.
All right,
I'm literally gonna start trading London session in a second. It's like we get all this volume, and then boom, session comes, volume's gay. It's like, what are we doing, bro?
I will only take a trade off of these levels.
I don't get it, man. What could we possibly be doing for the volume to fade?
Because I like NASDAQ, dude. It's just...
Yeah, no, I'm not serious about London, but I'm just fucking, it's just annoying. It's just been annoying.
Take one more.
Last week was good. Like, it was decent. It wasn't fucking perfect. That was okay. Good. It's positive. It's profitable. But it was the same shit. It was like, okay, we'll get in. It'll bounce around.
Don't take that.
And then we'll hit a target 4 within fucking 12 hours. It's like, I don't know. Today, the markets are really slow. It's what it is it's just slow, bro. Like, we're not, look at, it's been what? 12 minutes and we haven't even moved near target 1. I mean, we've gone into the green by like a fucking centimeter. We're just not moving. It's so frustrating how slow it is. We physically cannot trade if the markets are not moving. Like, that's the problem. We can't. We can't trade. There's just nothing for us to do. Like, oh shit, it's so frustrating. Gonna add on to the position.
What is he adding on to? Oh.
I added on to my position on US 30.
Order filled.
All right. Last position for today.
The markets have been so slow.
Order filled.
Been sitting here, nothing's going on. But
right.
I'm going balls deep in US 30. Balls deep. We're playing a game called either make a bunch of money or lose a bunch of money. Because I'm just going to hold this joint and see what happens. Ain't nothing else to do. Nothing else to do. Tired of it. The markets are slow.
I'm gonna put.
Shit ain't moving.
Order filled.
Frustrated. I'm trading off of emotions, like all good traders should. And I'm praying. About it. Oh, not unusual. Well, so I can tell you guys this. I've been doing this for a long time. The markets are not great in the summer. Typically, they're just typically not. I literally seem to have better luck during the winter, especially, not especially, but even during the holidays. So people always say, oh, holiday markets suck, this, and that. To me, summer markets have always been the worst. And I think it's based upon how you trade. Like, if you're not a scalper and you just trade normal, then yeah, holiday markets probably suck. But for me, it's like the summer markets have always been just horrible. It's been this. It's been slow. It's been no movement, no volatility, no volume. So I don't expect much out of it. Not for a while. I think by October, well, probably even September. September, October, things will be really nice. But middle of September towards the beginning of October, we'll start to see some good shit happen. But yeah, this is it. This is what we do. This is what we go through. We wait for volume, and if there's no volume, we don't take any trades. We can't do anything. It's the sad reality of trading. So you see how we get out of Nasdaq, and it starts to push perfectly down where we needed it to push. That's what happens. There's no volume, but you know the direction. You know you're taking the correct trade. No volume, you got to get out, and then it pushes back. That's the shit that you're going to see a lot of. Right there. That's the bullshit I'm talking about. Past that wick. It's ridiculous.
That boy Nas playing with him.
Ridiculous. I'm not getting a Nasdaq, by the way, guys. I'm not. I'm just watching how it sets up.
That's low key crazy. I can't lie to you. Are we serious? Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I'm right with Mamba.
Look at this shit. Fucking shit show, bro. I'm over it. I'm over it. I think I'm over today, man. I'm just. It is what it is.
Market's just been so like.
I feel like my psychology right now is just awful. It's fucking awful. It's like, bro. So US 30 is gonna push down now, and Nasdaq is gonna push back up. Like they're not even on the same fucking page, bro. I'm over this shit, man. I'm literally over all of it. Shit, markets.
Hey, call me crazy, but I
Yeah,
think.
give me a day, man. This is awful. I don't even know what to say. I don't know why the markets are just. I don't know why they're pissing me off so bad today. I mean, this is not a normal occurrence right here. This happens sometimes, but lately it's just been like, come on, bro. It's just not. We're not getting any volume. We're not going anywhere. Making fucking M's and that's what that's what we're getting right there, man. It's just over this shit.
E. Okay, watch this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
I want to see NASDAQ reach. No BS. Because we're playing in a range, which I like. Um. Okay. It's gonna make its move. So I just want to see what it's gonna end up doing. That's it. I say let these hoes run. And I'm gonna do these markets is dead trolling. Real stuff. Gonna get out of YM. It's just such a reach for us to go all the way back.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If we run there's a lot of upside potential, but we have to make the move like now. Can't even lie to you. We need to close like this. And yes, this is gambling, but like we did with the last account, my what's it called was already like finna be blown. And there, yeah, I don't care, bro. no, we gonna let it go. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I think with this ribs, there's no telling where it's gonna go, you know. I don't even want to put a stop loss on here because of this, bro. I don't know what's up with Nas, bro. Cause YM is dropping. YM is dropping, which makes me think this is gonna go. Worst case scenario, we blow this account and we go get another Express account. This is really playing, bro. What the frick? All right, bro. Finna go check on my mom, see if she's up. I'll be back. Actually, I'm finna end this right here. And then, yeah.